Hi everyone, here's another quick maths lesson with me. Last week I talked about how we could use a number line without any numbers on it to help us add tens and ones. So just to recap, we're going to start with this number, 35. We're going to add our tens, which as we all know, there's 1 10 in 14 and there's 4 ones in 14. So let's add the tens first. I'm going to do one jump because I know I have 1 10. Add 10, and that gets us, as we all know, to 45. Then I'm going to add my ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we know that 5 add 4 is 9, so our answer is going to be 49. We just used a little bit of our knowledge of number bonds to 10 to help us get to that answer. So that's just a quick recap. If I rub this out now, I'd just like to show you the converse, what we do on a number line if we subtract. So if here's my line and my number sentence is now, let's try 87 take away 35 equals, now I'm sure you've guessed it, but we don't start on this side this time. We're going to start on this side, because on a number line our larger numbers are always on the right. So I can start here with 87, and it's going to be exactly the same process as addition, only we're going backwards. We can see here that there are 3 tens and 5 ones, which means I'm going to make 3 big jumps, 1, 2, 3 backwards, and then 5 little jumps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, to get us to our answer. Now in the same way that we did with addition, we're going to count in tens, but this time we're going to go backwards. So 87, 77, 67, 57. Now using our knowledge of number bonds to 10, I know that 7 add 5 is 2. Easy. So I can just write 52 here. If I wasn't sure, I could always try and count backwards to help me. So I'd go 56, 55, 54, 53, 52. And so our answer is 52. I'm just going to rub that out. We'll do one more example, and then I would really like you to practice this at home and send some pictures on Tapestry just so that we can share them at school, just to keep us up with our learning. So here's my number line. Here's my number sentence. And let's start. So I'm going to start with 75. I'm going to write it here. And I'm going to do 4 jumps backwards because there are 4 tens in 44. So 4 big jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there are 4 little, or there's 4 ones in this number, so I'm going to do 4 little jumps here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's count backwards from 75, taking away 10 each and every single time. So 75, 65, 55, 45, 35. Now, using my number bonds to 10 again, I know when I'm counting in ones that 5 take away 4 is 1, so 35 take away 4 is going to be 31. If I'm not sure, I can always count backwards. 34, 33, 32, 31. Please use this method at home to support your children with their learning. Give it some practice. We'd love to see some photos on Tapestry, just so we can keep up to date with what's going on at home. Cheers, guys.